Now our motor determine I naught. Okay, so how can we determine I naught? First of all, if you see the circuit, and that one is X and here Y and here P, that are also P, clear or not? And that is Q, clear? If you see the circuit, that is a delta. Okay, if you see this circuit, you can say that you are making, that is P that is here P, here X, here Y. Okay, both are same terminal, that's I represent here X and Y like this one. Okay, that is 12 ohm, here 12 ohm and here 12 ohm, clear? So how can resolve? If you look at the circuit, it means if this one is converted into star, here R1, here R2, here R3. Another star delta transformation, if delta is given like this one, okay, here 1, 2, 3, okay, and you want to convert into star, if you want to delta convert into star, that is 1, here 3, here 2, clear? Here R1, here R2, here R3, and that resistance is R of RA, here RB, here RC. What about R1? R1 is our motto delta converted into star. Formula, what about formula? If delta is given, delta resistance is given, then if this one is converted into star, then what about R1? R1 is RA into RB, RA into RB divided by RA plus RB plus RC. This is the formula. Okay, it means if you determine this resistance R1 is RA RB divided by RA plus RB plus RC. Similarly, if you determine R3 means R3 is written as RB RC divided by sum of these three resistance RA plus RB plus RC. Clear or not? Very simple. So how can we use? So first of all, what about here 12, 12, 12? So R1 is 12 into 12 divided by 12 plus 12 plus 12. That is, you can say that R1 here 12 into 12 divided by 12 plus 12 plus 12. That is 12 into 12 divided by how much? 3 into 3 times 12. So that is 4 kilo ohm. That is 4 kilo ohm. Clear or not? Sorry, 4 ohm. Clear? Same thing R2, R3. R1, R2 and R3 equal. That's why this value is 4 ohm. Okay? 4 ohm. Clear or not? So after replacing, you can make another circuit XY. This one are replaced and make here P. That is here R1 is 4 ohm. This one is also 4 ohm. Here also 4 ohm. Clear or not? That point is P, at that point is X, and that point is Y. Clear? After replacement, this one and this one, that is 8 ohm and here 14 ohm. After that, this one is connect plus minus 24 volt. Clear or not? Very simple. Our motto, determine current in this branch. So I naught, that is X and here Y and here P. If you read all the circuit, then we got that, and that is Q, and this one is also Q. Our motto, determine current in this branch. So how can we determine? First of all, clear or not? Simply, if you consider here P, here X, here Y, it is look like delta. So make it, I know that if you convert it in star means here R1, R2, R3. So what about formula? I know that R1 is RA RB divided by sum of these three resistance. This formula use, we got R1. What about R2? R2 is 12 into 12 divided by sum of these three. We got same thing R3. Okay, because of these three value are same, that's why we got R1, R2, R3 are 4 ohm. Okay, after that make this one and this one replace with R1, R2, R3. So make redraw circuit, and after that we got this circuit. Okay, now our next target is determine I naught. So how can we determine I naught? First of all, if you see the circuit, or you can say that if you determine current I now, suppose that here I, if you determine I means these two 4 and 8 series, 4 and 14 are series, combination of these two are parallel. Okay, 4 plus 8 that is 12, 14 plus 4 that is 18. Okay, so combination of these two, if this one is R2 and here we have to consider that is R1. Okay, so combination of these two, what about R? R is written as 8 plus 4 that is 12 into 18 divided by 30, 12 plus 18 that is 30. Okay, now after solving 4 that is 10 that is 4. Okay, 7.2 ohm. Okay, 7.2 plus 4 we got how much? That is, after that making the formula, that is 4 and here plus minus 24 volt, and that is 4 ohm, and here 7.2 ohm. So what about I? I is written as 24 divided by 11.2. How much? 11.2. 24 divided by 11.2, that is 2 point, we got 2.14. okay, ampere. Clear or not? Very simple. So what about current? Current in this branch, current leave from here, that is 2.14 ampere. Clear or not? Our motto, determine current in this branch. So here apply current divider rule. I know that. What about current divider rule? If you apply current divider rule, I naught is written as, now this current I naught is written as, what about current? 2.14 into R2. R2 is how much? That is 18 divided by 18 plus 12, that is 30. So apply again this formula, 2.14 divided by 30, we got this one, into 18, we got 1.29, 1.28, or you can say that 1.29. that is 1.29 ampere. Clear or not? Very simple way. Okay, simply, very simple. So this one is 2.14 ampere, and apply here current divider rule, then we got I naught 1.29 ampere. Make it very simple. First of all, we have this one whole circuit converted with the help of star delta using this formula, and we converted like this one. After that, simply here R1, here R2, combination of these two with series, and we got I is 24 divided by some 11.2. After that, I is 2.14 ampere. Apply current divider rule. Current divider rule means here I, here R1, here R2. Okay, our motto to determine current in this branch. So I0 is R2 into I divided by sum of these two resistance. Then we got the answer 1.29 ampere. Make it.